Question here is consider the following parse tree for the expression A hash B $C $D hash E hash F. Okay, and involving two binary operators. The first one is dollar and the another one is hash, right? And here you are seeing the parse tree. It is parse tree. Okay. So which one of the following is correct for the given parse tree? Dollar has a higher precedence and is left associative and hash is right associative, or hash has higher precedence and left associative and dollar is right associative, or dollar has higher precedence and is left associative and hash is left associative, or option D, hash has higher precedence and is right associative and dollar is left associative. So in a parse tree, whoever is at the bottom, so whatever operator is at the bottommost side is having highermost precedence. So if you will see here, dollar is there, right? Dollar is there at the bottommost phase, at the bottommost side of this parse tree. We have dollar. So this dollar is of higher precedence. It is of higher precedence. Okay, and we need to find the associativity of it. So if you will see what dollar is doing here, dollar is performing its operation between B and C. Here if you will see B and C is there, so this dollar is calculated first, right? Because it is at the bottommost layer, this dollar is calculated first, right? Not that one. So it is on the leftmost side. So our dollar is of the higher precedence and left associative. So option B and D got eliminated because what we concluded here is dollar has higher precedence and is left associative, right? And now we need to calculate the associativity of hash. If you will see here hash, then E hash F, it is calculated first. After that, whatever result we will get from it will be added to this one, right? Will be added from to this one from D. So here if you will see, we have evaluated rightmost side of operations first. That is why it is right associativity. It have right associativity, right? However, you can also answer in the terms that if you see the parse tree, in parse tree itself, dollar is going to this way. So this is left associative and hash is going this way. So this is right associative. You might observe that also. So option A is the correct answer. Dollar has higher precedence and left associative and hash is right associative. Okay, guys, I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you.